कायद्याप्रमाण शेत जमिनीचेर शेतां करपाचें सोडून हेर कसलेच वेवसायीक प्रकल्प येवपाक फावना। देखून शेतान आशिल्ले सगळे भंगार अड्डे बेकायदेशीर आशिल्ल्याचे काँग्रेसीचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरा सांगता। बेकायदेशीर भंगार अड्ड्यांनी कितल्योश्योच बेकायदेशीर गजाली चलतात अशें ताचें म्हणणें आसा।
We will always be in a situation that merely because I don't have license doesn't mean it is illegal. But they are all running these scrapyards in tenanted agricultural lands, and that is what it makes the scrapyard illegal, because by law any tenanted agricultural land cannot be used for any purpose other than agriculture. सरकारान आमचे गोंयचे सरकारान 1990 एफिडेविट गायलो सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगपा वी आर ब्रिंगिंग अ लॉ टू प्रोहिबिट कन्वर्शन ऑफ टेनंटेड एग्रीकल्चरल लँड्स फॉर नॉन एग्रीकल्चरल पर्पस। एफिडेविट फायल करून 1990 एक ऑर्डिनन्स हाडलो, लँड यूज रेग्युलेशन ऑर्डिनन्स, आनी मागीर एक्ट 1991 हाडलो। हांवें फायल पळयली देखून, हांवें नोटिफिकेशन ऑर्डिनन्स सगळें पळयली देखून हांव सांगता तुमकां। सो इफ a tenanted agricultural land cannot be converted for any use other than agriculture, scrapyard is not agriculture.
Correct.
And therefore you cannot run a scrapyard in these tenanted agricultural lands. There have been many times criminals found in certain scrapyards, certain unwanted things happening in certain scrapyards, fights and even murders have taken place in scrapyards, and sometimes uzoy petoila tinga. Now whether it was accidentally, naturally, or it was done to claim some money from insurance or anywhere, I don't know. Or rivalry has created to burning of somebody else's scrapyard. Whatever may be the reason. Whenever people talk of scrapyard, monan ki disota, it is like a black stain. Ani lok bita scrapyard yattanna. Unwanted people, third party lokui rautat things scrapyard up, and we have no data about who's staying, who's coming, who's going from that scrapyard. So all unwanted things are also often going on in many of the scrapyards. So I think that the government, when it is trying to regulate these scrapyards, should keep all these things in mind and not try to legalize these illegal scrapyards by the back door.